The car's a 1974 Volkswagen VW thing, and it's called a Type 181. It was built in Mexico and imported into the US for 2 years. Based on a German military vehicle, and it's rear engine, rear wheel drive. It's the type of car that my mother doesn't like. It's too windy, it's too noisy. We've actually considered getting headphones for the drive. It can be very loud, and the inside. It's a fairly quiet Volkswagen sound. It's very distinctive. Visually, it's very distinctive. If you see that drive by, you'll know that that's not a common car. The thing I love most about the car is probably its uniqueness, the fact that it's fun. Kids will watch it go by on the street, and they'll be like, "Look at the big toy! I could drive that!" And that's fun. The sense of fun that you get, and the fact that it's a convertible, there's an enjoyment factor that I get out of driving the car around. With the windshield down, it's almost like boating.
So here's the question. Where were you 32 years ago? I know some of you weren't even a glint in your father's eye. As for me, well, I was in diapers, but found time to get Motoring TV off the ground. And today I like to think we've got one of the best automotive video libraries in the world. If you agree, please give us the thumbs up and also subscribe. We'd really appreciate it.